Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer USDT from Bitmart to Bybit application. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Bitmart application. Once you have logged into your Bitmart account, after that, you just need to simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner and click on the spot at the top. Now here you will find withdraw at the middle of your screen, so simply tap on this withdraw button. After that, in the search bar, you have to simply search for USDT and select the USDT method. Here you need to select the withdrawal method, so simply tap on the send via crypto network. Once you landed on this withdraw USDT page, here you will need your depositing address, selection of network and the amount of USDT you are transferring into your Bybit account. In order to get the address, you will have to minimize your Bitmart and open your Bybit application. Once you have logged into your Bybit application, after that you just need to simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the deposit button and click on the deposit crypto. From this list of cryptocurrencies, in the search bar, search for USDT and tap on Tether as USDT. You need to select a network here. You can select any network according to your requirements, but always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. Now I'm selecting here Tron TRC20, and here you can see your USDT Tron wallet address along with the QR code. Simply copy this address and after copying, reopen Bitmart, paste this address in the address bar. After that, select a network TRX Tron and click on confirm. After that, enter the amount of USDT you are transferring into Bybit account. Once you fill all this information, simply tap on withdraw at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Bitmart to Bybit. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.